So today I'm going to drill into the loan limit increase and just sort of show you what it means for you as a buyer in today's market. So the new 2026 conventional loan limit, so that means the maximum conventional loan amount you can obtain is now $819,000. Now here at CMG, we have already implemented this early. Since we're a direct lender, we can do that, and we are lending at this new higher limit right now. So what does that mean for you, a buyer in Delaware, Maryland, Virginia beaches? It means increased buying power. You see, if there's one thing I know, is that current buyers need increased buying power. One of the main reasons this is so important is because a non-conventional loan, otherwise known as a jumbo loan, requires a larger down payment, especially when buying a second home at the beach. Those down payment requirements are typically minimum 20% down. So why does this increase your buying power? Well, because you can now buy at a higher price range with a lower down payment. Quick example, you can't buy a jumbo home or mortgage and put 10% down. Guidelines don't allow it pretty much, or you're going to have to pay some sort of concession like a higher interest rate or something like that. So I'm talking about all in the context of getting the best terms available. So here's what it means. Here's a breakdown. So now a buyer here in our market putting down 20% can buy a home in the $1 million price range. So the $1 million price range. Previously, that would have been a jumbo loan, the 1 to 1.2 range. You would have had to force yourself to an even higher than 20% down payment. Now you can do 20%. A 15% down buyer, lots of those out there right now. People want to preserve cash, even if you have it, can buy at the $960,000 price range, and it's still a conventional loan. 10%, $910,000. Wait, so you're thinking, wait a minute. Never heard anyone doing 10% down or 15% down on a second home or all of that. We have all those programs, and they're almost the exact same interest rate. So what that means is you can buy conventionally, you can put as little as 10% down, but your price range is $900,000, $910,000, $915,000 in that price range as a maximum home price range, and it's still a conventional loan. So I hear it over and over again that buying power needs to improve. And right now, with this higher conventional loan limit, coupled with the lowest interest rate since 2023, if there's one thing I'm sure about, is that buying power is at its best it's been in probably a year and a half to 2 years. Have any questions or want me to run a more specific scenario for you? Don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you, and have an excellent day.